Good morning, good morning. All right. Happy Tuesday. All right, let me put this in the student counter. I think that's what it was. No, 368. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. I'm going to get on TikTok. We had a very, very good student session this morning. We discussed a lot. That just ran back up to what, like 85? We did a live stream last night. That was fun for about 90 minutes too. So we got out some good information. Remember, the sale for Apex ends on Thursday. April 20th is the last day for the Apex 90% off. I'm going to edit this to put it on Santa. All right, all right. Oh, and I need to change the chart. I was putting it on something fast last night so we could have some fun, but it only took like one trade. Hi, Cameron. How are you? All right, let me get on TikTok.
The Sephora Savings event has everybody on that show except Bliss is acting like Zach is the weirdest. So I do have a theory on this.
Order submitted.
All right, live. I've been keeping up with all of this stuff on Love is Blind. I don't know why. I was like really invested.
Order submitted.
All right. And along on 79. Yeah. Market's open. We're in a long. Anyway, we had a really good student call this morning. Also, Santa's in a long as well. So Santa's in a long, and so is Break, which is the one that I was showing yesterday. We'll see what happens here. Good morning. If you're new, my name's Lauren. I go live every day.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Showing you, both of those took a small loss, $200. Showing you the NASDAQ on the futures market and gold and oil and the S&P 500. Let me turn the volume down here. All right, so let's see what happens. All right. Not in love with that short here. All right, Santa's back in a long. I like the long. The thing is, we've just already made so much movement, but that doesn't mean the market can't keep moving. The U.S. wants to get on the action that happened at 4 a.m. when we were all sleeping. See if Jen or Carter comes in and puts the info. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. If you want more information, just email me. I have a student session today at 11, so I'll stay on today till 10:30 and then kind of go from there. So this is Santa on Scalper. Do I have? Oh no. You know what I'm thinking? This is definitely wrong. Hold on. Did I not load? I thought I loaded Santa. But it actually doesn't. I'm not gonna have to redo this whole thing. Thanks, Jen.
Order filled.
I had to close it because I definitely had the wrong strategy. It was showing trades earlier, and this doesn't trade until 9:40. So that's why I was confused. I think I still had on the fast settings from last night or something. The fast settings or the slow settings or something like that. We're in a short on break. All right. I think I'm settled now. Santa will start soon. Thanks, Jen, for sharing that. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up. There's 30 of you on YouTube and there's only 7 likes. That is so sad. Thanks, Jen. We went live last night for about 90 minutes. It was a lot of fun. We had like 100 people. We were just chatting it up, having a good time. So if you were a part of last night's stream, but a lot of those people were actually on the West Coast, and I know that this can be a little early for them. So I understand if they're not on this call, but I hope that they are. We were talking about what were we talking about? Olives? No, we were talking about beets. Ugh. We were talking about mushrooms. We were talking about so many random things. Probably because the market was so slow. Why does my chart look frozen? What? Do you see this? Is my NinjaTrader frozen? What the fuck? That has never happened before. And I don't have that many. I have like 12 setups running, something like that. Yeah, we were we were talking about that last night, but we were talking about food, but then it went to that. My NinjaTrader is definitely frozen. WTF. See, in this case, I could just pull it up on my iPad and see if that fixes it. Let me reopen my remote desktop. Oh, okay. I guess it was just some weird glitch because we're still in this short, green $160, but it was just some
Order
weird,
submitted.
some weird little glitch.
Order filled.
What's that noise? I think they're doing construction outside. Oh, it also looks windy. Or no, maybe they're just cutting the trees. All right, if I get stopped here. Where did we go to? 60? Yeah, I wonder what's going on. I saw somebody in the chat post that too, that they were having like an Apex connection. Oh, Blue, I didn't realize that was you. Yeah, this is, I typically only show that, like, the NASDAQ, and if I'm showing
Order
something else,
filled.
if I'm showing something else, I usually
Order submitted.
specify that. All right, so remember, Santa doesn't start for a few more minutes.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can move up here. We're in a long.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I know. Santa was sleeping. That's why. You know, Santa has stuff to do. I can't just expect him. No, what we really need to look at is pink.
Order filled.
Did you see? This got all the upside last night. So it crossed here right at 4:03 a.m. and it hasn't, and then it tried to cross down a little bit ago. Well, bum bum. Oil is 1-for-1 overnight. That's really like the only thing. Oil. Hi Panda, how are you? There's not much happening yet. Also, I think because I disabled this shit. You really can't fuck with Scalper or it's going to just fuck up your life. Scalper is so temperamental. I'm putting pink back on there because it actually, I disabled it before by mistake. I wonder if I put that under Ryan.
Order submitted.
My own. That's the one that I use. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, but it wasn't showing before because I had turned it off and turned it on. So this was pink last night. This was at 4 a.m. This was like that 4:03, and then every time it pulled down, it just sat. Do you see this, how it sat here, 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 and then it broke through here. Market doesn't know what it wants to do, and this is kind of what I told my students, is that give yourself, oh, and this went up to 100 again because I turned it off and turned it on. Kind of give yourself some time. Let's see what the market wants to do because it had such a strong move up. We're so far away from the kind of the things that we normally use as indications. Crypto, once you get your Apex accounts settled, then, so purchase your Apex accounts, which takes all of like 5 minutes. Then purchase the subscription to the algorithm. Once you do that, you are added to the group. You are sent a welcome message, which has a step-by-step video. It shows you everything. And then you are given access to my admins, both Amy and Irma, and they make sure you have everything set up. No, this has nothing to do with options. This is all... No! Apex, you don't... Apex doesn't require any money. That's the whole point of Apex. Apex is a funded program. Apex is currently doing 90% off. It's a funded program. Yeah, there's no money required by you other than you just purchasing the $18, like, whatever. Santa's in a long? Santa's in along. So no, all you have to do is purchase the account that you want on Apex. Use the Save 90 code. And then, so if you did a $50,000 account, you paid $18 for that. That's all you have to do. That's it. There's no requirement of your own money. If you're using a funded account, a prop firm, you're not responsible for any loss or gain or whatever. It's all through the prop firm. They keep 10% of your wins, you keep 90%, and that's it.
Order submitted.
There's no other money required by you. All right, Santa's in along, and so is gold on break. Yeah. If you wanted to do a cash account, then that's different. Then you would do that through NinjaTrader. But at this point, you might as well just do Apex. If you want to add a cash account later, you can do that once you're in the group and you're all settled. And if you already have if you're somebody who's joining with a cash account, you can always add Apex in addition. Yeah, exactly. Once you sign up for the algorithm crypto, then my admin Amy will add you to the group. You'll get an invitation to Slack in your email.
Order filled.
What do you mean name of the company? It's my company, Bold Bot. No user. They're not. Some are. I'm testing some things. Oh, is that what he was asking for? I thought he meant like my company name. Yeah, we're trading futures, not stocks. Levinsky, what's up? This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Sorry, I was trying to answer crypto for a second. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Levinsky, tap, 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 tap. Like that. We're in this long of Santa, $170. I had it on the wrong setup before. This is the correct one. So this is the first trade for Santa. Yeah, so you can have up to 20 Apex accounts and you can have a cash account. So you, like one of my members, Clint, he has 21 accounts that he runs all the time. So yesterday when we made $1,000 in the day, he made $21,000 because he has 21 accounts. You can use the trade copier as well, but I don't want to confuse people. Awesome. Sounds good. What's your first name? Bart, and what is your name? Yeah, I don't know anything about those. I only trade futures, so I don't discuss I don't give advice in general, but I definitely don't know what XDC is. Sorry. Yeah, more Levinsky, not just once. See Panda? Panda knows what he's doing. He's just tapping, tapping, tapping. All right, so the price is just holding in this area. Ooh, I wonder if we're going to make a head and shoulders here. Let's see. We're just consolidating in this area. So let's see if we can get up and move higher. That's kind of the overall idea, but we'll see. We could turn down. If you're in Canada, you cannot use NinjaTrader, but you can use Apex, you can use GFF Broker, you can use Interactive Brokers. You can also use, I guess that's it. For some reason, Iron Beam doesn't do it anymore, even though I had someone do Iron Beam like a year ago. Good morning, Leonard. I joined Apex this morning. They said it will email me. No, if you signed up for Apex, you will get the email within minutes. It will not take 24 hours, Roland. Brett and Bart. Oh, that's so cute. It will not take 24 hours. Also, Roland, I don't know why you didn't purchase it last night when you were on the live stream. Gold is green $120 and Santa is green $135. Santa is still in just this original long. When this goes green $200, there we go. The stop loss moves itself up. Hey, unpredictable. I don't have to do anything. Again, this is 100% hands-free. It's going to get me in the trade. It's going to get me out of the trade, whether that's with a stop loss, a small profit at the offset here, or a bigger move. All right, so you can see it pulled back and it hit that offset, so that's $75 profit. Again, this is the first trade of the day on Santa.
Order submitted.
Gold is still in this long for $180.
Order filled.
It's red 110 on the day, so this trade will most likely make it green on the day. You can see it's had a few trades overnight. If you guys are new here, please give me a follow. If you appreciate the stream, tap the screen. Ooh, now it's 300 on gold.
Order submitted.
This long is green. 360, 370. Let me move this off so I can put it on the account so you guys can see it. Oh, there it is. It was just off. It wasn't even. Look at that. Do you see how the trail is moving up behind? A 430 on gold, 440. Target is 2012. And again, this strategy is red 110 overnight. So whatever happens here will be green, like $300. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. And again, Apex is a prop firm, like a fully funded account that you can use on the algorithm, and they're currently doing 90% off through Thursday only.
Order submitted.
Weirdly, GFF goes through Iron Beam. Yeah, I don't get them because I've had members use them. Like, they'll respond and say, oh, we haven't worked with NinjaTrader since 2015, which is BS because I've had people in Canada that have used Iron Beam, GFF Broker, whatever, like last year. So I don't understand how they say that. Levinsky said I'm up on 4 accounts, 1 already passed. Nice job, Levinsky. Yeah, you can purchase up to 20. You don't have to use them all at one time. They're $18 each, so you can just save it for later if that's something you want to do. All right, so it's going to hit probably this off this trail here. We'll see. Why are you yelling? I didn't think I was yelling. I just have a loud voice. Now, is my typing loud? Yeah. I feel like I'm not usually loud. Maybe there's too much going on. All right, unpredictable. What's your name? I don't even know if I know it, but you're on the stream all the time. Jason joined yesterday. I'm so excited for him. We were 100% yesterday. Range was 4 for 4. Oil was 2 for 2. ES was 1 for 1. And NQ was 1 for 1 yesterday. And range is the most conservative algo, so it's really basic, just straightforward, but it produces really nice results. So for this trade, it's 1 contract. So for gold, it's $2,000. Green 350. Let's see if gold can hit target here. Rah, rah, rah. This is NinjaTrader.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, also Santa is in a short. Green $130, $200. This is guaranteed green. You can see the stop loss has moved itself in the positive. Santa's already 1 for 1 today. It hit the offset. If this hits the offset, that's going to be 2 for 2 for 150. Well, guaranteed it's 2 for 2. All right, so it hit the offset for 150 total now. 2 for 2. Gold is still going. Green $420 here.
Order submitted.
No, user, I already answered you. Let's just do this. This will be much easier. This is NinjaTrader. is the, yes, this is moving itself. The stop loss is moving itself. It's called a trail. It is a trail stop loss. Kyle already posted. Swag done for the day. Sticking to my daily goals. Res passive val. Nice job. Very good, Kyle. Kyle already made like $3,000. $2,000. See, this is what it looks like if you have a bunch of Apex accounts. Kyle has a few. Hold on. But like, look at Derek. This was yesterday. Derek has a bunch of Apex accounts. Carlos has a bunch of Apex accounts. Kenneth has a few. He might have 3. He might have a few cash accounts. Brian has 5 Apex accounts. So yeah, again, you can have up to 20. But you don't have to. Most people will get 1. Yeah, if you go to my YouTube, you can watch the past 2 years of live streams. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Gold is green, $450 here, almost at target. All right, have fun at work, Levinsky. I'll talk to you later. Go make that money so you can get the mentorship. You should have been, I've been trading for like 20 years. You should have been on the call this morning, Levinsky. The student call was so good. It was so detailed and just like perfect. Santa's in another long. Ooh, we're so close. We're so close. Go, 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 go.
Target filled.
Target filled. Now gold, instead of being red $100, is now green, $390 on the day. Look at that retouch. Bye. Santa's in a long. I don't know if this is going to work out. This 86 area is tough. And it's 9:54. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Send some likes. If you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up. Ooh, the other gold is green 200. The gold zones. Oh, it just hit target for $200. Nice.
Order submitted.
All right. So it got stopped in that long, but now it's in another long. This is Santa. So now Santa's red $50 on the day before this trade. Oil has been showing out this week. It's been doing really well. If you guys have questions, please put them in the chat.
Order submitted.
If not, I just aimlessly talk about nothing. It doesn't have to be about trading either. It could just be so random. Aw, Mitch said the student call was awesome. Thank you. Oh, thanks, Mitch. It's funny because I'm just like giving myself kudos. What would you suggest right now? Oil or gold? I don't know what that means. We trade all of them. The algorithm is on all of them. Where oil already made 350, gold already made 390. The other gold setup already made 200. My other oil setup has not made anything. So we have all of them on at the same time. Yep.
Order canceled.
Yeah.
Submitted.
So this 86 was a hard area, if you could see that here. I just have a lot of resistance. It's kind of just stuck between 70 and 86 at this point. Was that the area that I highlighted to my members? Oh, 60 to 80. What time is it? It's 9:56 too. So, typically it's like 500 to 1,000. What's pink doing? Pink is flashing. Pink might take a short soon. Watch, you see how this turns red? Good morning. I'm like stretching, but I slept really well. Look, see, Santa had the right idea. Where is Santa? Santa, there you are. Yeah, Mark, that sounds like a good idea. So if you want more information, Mark, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. You don't need that much. Most people start with anywhere from 5 to 10K, and you could run everything I'm running right now. So you could run the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 and oil and gold. Guaranteed green on this Santa short. Hi, 36. What's up? Ooh, look at this short on Santa. $435. It's still going. So this is the offset on Scalper. This is the algorithm. The trail are these little lines that you see. So it's not going to move down like the other one that I showed you a bit ago. Because some of my algorithms are just coded differently. Ooh, we're in an $800 short on NQ as well in one of my testing accounts. Yep, sounds good. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin this. So we're in a $500 short on Santa. Santa is red $200 on the day so far, so this will most likely put it back in the green. Again, we have red trades, we have red days. Like last week, oil had a hard day, but
Order submitted.
hey, hi again. Yeah, and then you can just have the information mark, so when you're ready, then you can move forward. Like, you can apply for a NinjaTrader account now. There's no cost with that. And then they usually approve you within 1 to 2 days. And then you can just fund the account when you're ready. Yeah, just send me an email. It's $18 for the $50,000 account on Apex. I went live last night, too, talking about this. Oh, Jimmy Fox has a medical complication. So it's Apex Trader Funding. That's the website. We're still in this short for $430 on Santa. And then you go to sign up, and then it will take you to the bottom. You have to do the NinjaTrader plan. You have to do the one that says NinjaTrader. Rhythmic/NinjaTrader. And then the $50,000 account, this is the one that we like the best. Somebody on my live last night was like, well, why wouldn't you just do the 300K if your bot is so good? Well, Bob, it's because you can only withdraw twice per month. And the first 3 months, they limit your withdrawals to $2,000 per account. So if you only have one $300,000 account, then that's limiting you to $4,000 withdrawal per month for the first 3 months. Whereas if you had 2 or 3 or 5 $50,000 accounts, you could take $2,000 out of each of these accounts twice per month. So that's $4,000 per month times however many accounts you have. So even if you have 5 accounts, you can take out $20,000 in the month instead of if you had just one $300,000 account where you have to make $20,000. So it takes so much longer to pass the account, like the evaluation. That's number one. Number two, once you pass the evaluation, you can only take out $4,000 per month. Whereas if you had 5 $50,000 accounts, which is probably like the same pricing, honestly, then you could take out $20,000 per month. Does that make any sense? Yes, Apex is running a huge sale. It's 90% off. Save 90. 5 accounts on 300. Like the 300,000 is $657 a month. What's 90% of that? or what's 10% of that? So $66. And this is $18. So 5 accounts, it'll be a little more expensive. $100, whatever. $80, $90. I rounded up to 20. Yeah, so $90 for 5 of these, or $65 for one $300,000 account, but will take so much more, so much longer. Also, we're in another short here on Santa. It locked up this short. Santa's now green 255, and then we're in another short here that's guaranteed green. We're in the short green 325, so that's 500. And remember, this strategy just started 20 minutes ago. This is my auto trading algorithm on the futures market. Yeah, you can try to use Apex. Again, Diego, it's my company. It's BoldBot. This is not a stock. These are futures. I only trade futures. I only trade futures. What do you mean? Is it managed by you? Yeah. What do you mean? It's an algorithm. It's a coded file that trades for me. Yep. Oh, the funding company is Apex. Apex Trader Funding. This is Apex. APEX.
Order submitted.
Apex Trader Funding is the prop firm company. All right, Santa took profit there. Santa is now green $675, and it's in a long. This is the breakdown of Santa this morning. And again, it's only been on for 20 minutes. $675. It's taken 6 trades. It had 2 losses. The max loss was $200. The biggest win was $500. No, neither of those. When you sign up for my algorithm, you get the coded file. You can't see the code, but you get a zip file. Why does it cost to use your system? Because I'm doing a whole bunch of work to let people use it. That's why. Number one, I paid a lot of money to my developer to have all of my algorithms coded. I have like 8 algorithms. We're in a $700 short. Number 2, it makes people a bunch of money. Number 3, I work my ass off. I work like every single minute of the day. Yes, my email's right here. boldbotllc@gmail.com. I think I need to have a one-on-one to get all set up. Yep, we can do that. If you purchase today, you will be added to the group today. As long as you don't purchase it at like 2 a.m., I am always on my phone. I am always actively working. I have 2 admins that are like the same as me, where we work all day, every day. Like I had 2 people sign up yesterday at dinner time, and we got them set up, within 15 minutes. Yeah, Kevin, we should get bingo back out because people actually think that. I'm not sure. Levinsky said all day. It costs $500 for the first 21 days. So I have a trial period for people that have never used my system before. It's $500 for 21 days. After that, it's $1,000 every month. This is on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader, I'll put it at the bottom. NinjaTrader. But again, if you want to use a funded program instead of your own cash, you can do that with Apex. Yep, sure thing. So anytime that someone signs up, like I am awake, my admins are awake from 7 a.m. until like midnight, Eastern Standard Time. That's why last night I was on the live stream until 10 p.m. and then I was still awake until midnight, so. How much did I use? What? On this trade, it's 1 contract, so it costs $1,000. And it's already made, what did I say, 675? Oh, did it just have a loss? 550 now on Santa, which is on Scalper. Is this US based or not? This is in the US. On average, 500, like yesterday we made $1,000. But on average, it's like 500 to 1,000. So most people use 1 to 2 bots every day. This is Scalper, and then Range is the one with the blue box. I'll show you. This is Range. So this is one. Oil made $350 overnight when we were sleeping. This trade was at 3:45 a.m. So this is Range with the blue box, and then Scalper is the one with the red and the green lines. So most people use both of those every day. But you don't have to. You could just use Range if you want to. Range is, yes. Range is the most conservative one. Yeah, y'all, didn't I show you, like, the, Santa Banana has paid for my membership, Carlos said.
Target filled.
Target filled. What's that on? Ooh. Gold is also in another trade. Well, that one hit. Gold is in this trade. This is the one that just took that $400 long a little bit ago. Gold is green, 400 on the day, and then it's in this $300 long. So this is what I mean, where we have multiple things going at once. I have gold running, I have the NASDAQ running, I have oil running, I have the S&P 500 running. I don't have a referral for Apex, but thank you for asking. You can just use the code SAVE90. I never set up an affiliation with them. I just think they're a good company, so that's why I talk about them all the time. So if you're using a cash account with NinjaTrader, you would want to start with at least $3,000. Y'all, look at that push on gold. Gold is now green at $900 on the day. So Apex covers market data and Apex covers the NinjaTrader license. You do not need to purchase the NinjaTrader license if you're going to use Apex. This is gold on the day. It's taken 7 trades. The biggest loss was 300. The biggest win was 500. And it's had 2 losses. It's green $900 on the day. So I'm like already, what is it? It's 10:09 a.m. I'm green $900 on gold. And then over here on Santa, I'm green $550. And it's in another trade for $150. This is how you could easily make the amount. No, Spliff, we're not going to be doing that. Sounds good, Duck Sauce. Yep, if you just emailed me, my admin Amy is on top of it. She will be responding to you. She'll be sending you the information. If there's a question that she can't answer, I will follow up and answer it. But while I'm live, I typically like to just focus on the live streams, and she takes care of all of the emails. Yep, the email is boldbotllc@gmail.com. Sounds good, unpredictable. The link, the discounted link is in the email. So make sure you just, there's like 6 things you need to do. But if you're using Apex, you don't need to worry about any of those. You just need the link at the bottom. I actually don't use Apex, Arthur. I have a cash account. Oh, yeah. I heard that they had some changes, Jet. But we're not using it with Tradeovate. We're using it with NinjaTrader, so I don't know if that affects us. So, yeah, you can withdraw from Apex after a month. There's a 10-day period. Somebody said last night or today. But, so the first 3 months, you can withdraw twice per month. But in the first 3 months, they cap each withdraw at $100. I mean, 100. Why am I saying that? $2,000. So say you can withdraw on the 15th of the month and the 30th of the month. Even if you have like $20,000 of profit in your account, they'll only let you withdraw $2,000 per withdraw period per month. So like each month you could only withdraw $4,000. But that's only for the first 3 months. After the 3rd month, there's no limit. You can withdraw as much as you want. Yeah, if you email me, Arthur, I can send you that information. Do you help with the Apex evaluation? Yeah, so that's the whole entire point of this stream. The algorithm is going to run on your Apex account. So right now, NQ is green $505, gold is green $890, oil is green $350, and then I have another gold that I'm testing that's green $400. Y'all, sorry.
Order submitted.
An equity chart on stream. No, I'm not. Yeah, I could just pull up my trade performance, but I'm not going to do that on stream with my account information. Like I said, if you want to email me, I can send it to you.
Target filled.
Yes. So it went down to 1K instead of 2K? What do you mean? No, nobody said. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's 2K, Pino. I don't know why I said. Sorry, can you repeat the Apex evaluation answer? Yeah, so the evaluation is just covered. So what people do is they'll get an Apex account and then they purchase my algorithm, which is this, what you see in front of you. You turn it on every night and then it trades for you. So essentially it will pass the evaluation for you as long as you're you understand the risk. Like you still need to understand, what am I risking in this trade? Like in this trade, you're risking $200. That's fine. It's not going to affect like your trailing drawdown. So you have to do a little bit of thinking, but yes, the algorithm is going to trade for you. That is the entire point. ESCT you can, but it's going to be really hard to make enough money to pay for the cost to do that. Again, ESCTX, you could just get an Apex account. It's $18. $18 for a $50,000 account. You wouldn't even have to be risking your $1,000. Just go to Apex, get an $18 account for $50,000. You get a $50,000 account for $18. Good job, Jimmy. My admin is responding to all of the emails that came in. Could you use help society today? Yep. So, Jason, you should be reaching out to Irma. Everything you're doing going forward is now going to be with Irma. She is the onboarding specialist, and she will help you with all of that. So, the algorithm is $500 for the first 21 days, which is a trial period. So, you can try it out for $500. If you don't like it, you cancel. No hard feelings. If you like it, then you stay. And then it's $1,000 every month after that. Children. Yeah, the code is save90. Save90. This is the futures market. Yep, so my admin's going to respond to you. There's about 6 emails in the 10 emails in the inbox that she's responding to right now. Again, this is the futures market. Teddy Poo, yes, this is an auto trading algorithm, correct. And currently on the day, this is the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ is green $300, gold is green $890, oil is green $350. There's no ES trades yet. ES doesn't trade for a little bit. These gold runs were huge. Look at this. Do you see this reversal? Again, this is the NASDAQ. I'm always showing the NASDAQ unless I say something different. No, I have people in the UK, I have people in Australia, I have people in South Africa, I have people all over that are in my group. That's not a problem. If you're in Canada, that's the only time where there can be a little bit of stickiness if somebody wants a cash account. Oh my God, look at Carlos. Do you see all of his Apex accounts? He just posted this, 10:15 a.m. This is what Carlos made today using my algorithm. All of these are Apex accounts. He's using a trade copier, which then takes one of his accounts and copies it to all of the other accounts. It just went long. We're not in any trades right now. This, yes, it got stopped. But it's very normal. It's normal to get stopped. Sometimes I think people think that because I'm talking about my algorithm that it's never going to have a loss. And we definitely have losses. That goes back to understanding your risk. The loss is $200. And that's totally okay. And I update, we have a settings spreadsheet in the group, and we have a results tab on there. So there are live updates all day long for people that maybe aren't on the live stream or they're just not actively around. You know what? Pink is probably in this short. Look at this. So pink, because I have it on tabs, it wouldn't take the trade for me. What do you mean, what about the USA? What about it? I'm in the USA. I think that goes without saying. We talked about this on my student call this morning. Yep. So just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com, and I'll send you more information. We talked about this morning. See the break here of 58, even down below at 55. This was a really nice short. Went all the way back to 200. Yes. Algorithm, or the mentorship. The mentorship is fire. I already put oil in there. Cool. I just got your email reply. Awesome. How long does evaluation usually take with your setup? Yeah, so it's usually, so you're going to get set up within 30 to 60 minutes. And then it depends how quick you are on the computer. Some people can set up within 15 minutes. And then after that, you are turning it on and it trades for you. And then typically people pass evaluation within 3 to 4 days. You have to trade for 7 days to pass evaluation. So the algorithms say you make all of the profits that you need, which on a $50,000 account is $3,000. If you make that, no, I sent money. Someone email me. What? No, I do not have another TikTok account. Guys, please do not get scammed by people talking about crypto. I will never follow you. I will never send you anything on TikTok. I will never follow you. I will never message you on TikTok or Instagram. The only communication I ever use is via email. Crocodile, do not get scammed by someone talking about a wallet and they're going to tell you to send them like $50. Somebody did that on my Instagram and he literally got scammed for like $5,000. Like, I don't know how this happens. Like, y'all, come on. It's 2023. Yep. So Moser, I'm just going to answer that question by saying that none of my members have ever had issues and they get paid out every other week. So I don't know. I don't know if it has something to do with like a third party company. I'm not using a third party company. This is literally just a chart that trades. It gets in, it gets out. So it's essentially just like you trading on your chart. Danny, typically around 50%. So yeah, guys, I will never follow you on TikTok. I don't follow anyone. I follow people that I like enjoy watching, like, you know, random reality TV stuff. I will never follow you. I will never message you. I will never talk about crypto. I will never talk about stocks or options. So please do not get scammed by these people that come into my live streams and then just follow everyone and then try to scam them. That is not me. The only time you will ever talk to me is on the live stream and via email, boldbotllc@gmail.com. That is the only way I will talk to you because I've had to do this. How much is Apex for $50,000? It's $18. They have a sale, but it's only through Thursday. Oops, I put 28. I meant 18. It's $18. Use the code SAVE90. SAVE90. And you can get a $50,000 Apex account for $18. Again, the Pello Z, I already responded. You need to email me. It's not an indicator. It's a fully automated algorithm that trades for you while you're sleeping, while you're at work, while you're eating, while you're at the gym, whatever. It's fully automated. It is not an indicator. I know it might look like one, but it's not. Also, these zones on gold are green 400. I posted this in the group a little while ago. And it's in a short now. So Apex just has a website. There's no link. It's just apextraderfunding.com. APEX Trader Funding. I'll put it on the screen. And then I'm going to have to get off in a bit. I have a student session at 11. apextraderfunding.com. You click on sign up. It will take you down. And remember, you have to have the one that says NinjaTrader plan. NinjaTrader. Because I'm using NinjaTrader for my algorithm. Yep, we got in that short under 55. It went right back to 200, but look, now it's sitting right at my level here at 19. So Apex Trader Funding, use the code SAVE90. You have to use that code. This is the one that most of my members use, $50,000, because it's pretty easy to pass. You only have to make $3,000 in profit, and the trailing drawdown is really nice. The email is boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yeah, no, I'm not going to go into details about how my algorithm trades. When you join the group, you get more details on what's actually happening in the background, but I'm not going to say that on a live stream. boldbotllc@gmail.com. And again, the Save 90 is only through Thursday. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. The discount code is SAVE90, Jason. Well, when you join the group, I show you how to set up your charts just like me. Santa was green like 650, and now it's red 100. Yes, just email me for more information. Can I just get an algo and clear who I want? I don't know what that means. What the hell does that mean? Clear who you want? So duck sauce, if you're using Apex, you can withdraw you have to go through the evaluation, which takes 7 days minimum. And then once you're live, you can withdraw twice per month. The first 3 months is capped at $2,000 per withdrawal per account. Moser, you can email me and I'll send it to you. This Save 90 code is for Apex. If somebody wants to use an Apex account instead of a cash account, they are doing a sale, and I've never seen them do 90% before. And it's only until Thursday. I don't have an affiliation with them, but I just think they're a good company. So you can get an account with Apex for $18. It's $18 for a $50,000 account. And then you can put it on my algorithm and it will trade for you. Apex is the reason GME was halted? I don't think so. Apex doesn't trade on stocks. They only trade on futures, right? Or do I have that wrong? I think they're only for futures. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. When fully funded. Yeah, but my members get funded within, we typically pass evaluation within 3 to 4 days, and then after the 7th day, you're funded. The minimum starting capital is $2,000 to $3,000 if you're using a cash account. All right, I'm going to have to wrap this up soon. We're in a short. Oh, gold is in that short. Gold is in the short on zones, and then NQ is also in a short. Yes, as soon as you sign up with me, then you get added to the group. So I have a group. It's similar to Discord. Hold on, I was about to show you the students. It looks like this. It's similar. It's called Slack. It's very similar to Discord. You are added to the group once you sign up for the service. Ooh, $600 on this short. Oil is also in a short. Oil's in a short, gold's in a short, and NQ's in a short. So you just need to email me to sign up, boldbotllc@gmail.com, because that is the discounted link. My admin will send you more information. Because if you go to my website, you're going to be paying full price, and nobody wants to do that. So again, it's $500 for the first 21 days as a paid trial, and that link is in the email. I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never follow you on Instagram. I will never DM you. Is your Algo software or something which we have to install? No, it's a file that you have to install to NinjaTrader. It's a zip file that I send you. Then what's that $50K? User, I don't think you're understanding what I'm talking about. The $50,000 is a prop firm. That is a funded prop firm where they put up the money for you to trade, and then they keep 10% of your profits and you keep 90%. This is called a prop firm. So if you don't want to use your own cash, your own capital, they cover the NinjaTrader license, they cover the market data fees, they cover market data and the NinjaTrader license. So you get a $50,000 cash account for $18 because they're doing a 90% sale. Normally it's $167. They're doing a 90% sale. Save 90 is the coupon code. $18, you get a $50,000 cash account. And when you are live on a funded account, they keep 10%, you keep 90%. But the first $25,000 is yours. Sounds good. The Algo is $500 for the first 3 weeks. So 21 days, $500. And then after that, it's $1,000 every month. There's no commitment. You can cancel at any time. If you don't like it after the first 2 weeks, you can cancel. You'll never be charged again. I really like that package. Have you gotten really great feedback from the 50K full? Yeah, the 50K is the one to use because you can have as many as 20 accounts. So when they try to limit your withdrawals at 2K per withdrawal for the first 3 months, twice per month, if you have multiple accounts, you can take out so much more per month. It does work with Trade-Evate. There is a Trade-Evate option, but again, my Algo does not work with Trade-Evate. So if you want to use my algorithm, you have to use the one that says NinjaTrader. Because if you scroll down further, then there's one that says, it says Trade-Evate NinjaTrader. Why does it say that? You want the Rhythmic NinjaTrader, the first section. It's this first section. You don't need to go any lower. If you push sign up in the top right corner, they'll take you to the first section, and that's the only area you need to be. And it says 50K full, start now, and then you put in the coupon code for save 90. And then you pay $18 for a $50,000 account. We're in an $800 short here. Let me see if I can show you guys. Hold on. Oh, it's already up. I didn't even have to switch it around. We're in an $800 short on NQ from 13 to 10. You can see the box up here. This is my entry up here at 13 to 10. And this is on break. Does the algo work in all time frames? Yes, it works on all time frames, all charts, all products. Anything on the futures that you want to trade, you can put it on. Tapping out an email now. Yep. Well, you don't need to type much. You could just say you want more info. Just send it to boldbotllc@gmail.com. Because I'm about to get off of here. I have a student session at 11, which is in 30 minutes. So I'm going to get prepared for that. I see about 5 more of you asking for information. My admin will send that to you now. So just hang tight. Yeah, I think VPS is just great because you can look at everything on the go. Plus, it's only $50 a month. So I don't think it's really breaking the bank for anyone. But it's not required, but it's highly recommended. Yeah, if you want more info, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yeah, or HEMA, it's great for the overnight trading because overnight NinjaTrader always seems to want to have issues. The prop firm is Apex, APEX. Apex Trader Funding is their website. Apex Trader Funding. They're doing a 90% sale, but it's only through Thursday. Yep, Jack, if you want to email me, I can send you that information. Yes, pretty much 90% of the 200 people in my group have a 9 to 5. Pretty much everyone. And again, these are my members' results. So I post my results and my members' results typically on Instagram every day. I've kind of gotten lazy about it lately. But I like to show my members' results and my results because it's not just about me. It's also about the people paying for the service. So you can see all these people have multiple Apex accounts. Carlos, Mike, this was me yesterday, $1,025. Kenneth, Justin. So it just goes on and on. Eric, look at all of his Apex accounts. So these people are literally making, $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000 in a day. Darren, these are his Apex accounts. $1,000, $2,000, $2,500 in one day. Kenny made $55,000 on Friday. Terrence, $1,000. Amber, $900. Michael. Yeah, so most of these people are running a cash account and then multiple Apex accounts. You don't have to have a cash account. You can just do Apex. Some people are just doing Apex. Santa in this long. Apex is a prop firm. It's a fully funded account. You can get a $50,000 account for $18. Again, please be aware that I will never DM you on TikTok or follow you on TikTok. There's a lot of people trying to impersonate me. So please do not respond or send any money to any random people on TikTok. Apex is a fully funded prop firm. Are they still working a full-time job with those profits? Yeah, because again, Apex is going to limit you the first 3 months of only $2,000 per account twice per month. So, you know, if you have 5 accounts, that's a nice amount of money. But I think they want to just build it up more. I don't know. Somebody could have quit their job. I don't really ask them on a daily basis if they've quit their job. And I never suggest that people do that. Jimmy said you can use the Tradeovate one now. They made changes. Okay, so if you purchase the Tradeovate one by mistake, you can also use that on NinjaTrader. Cool. No, there's no catch. It's fully funded. They're doing a 90% sale. That's the catch. And it's only until Thursday. So if you miss the sale, then you're going to be paying $167. ApexTraderFunding.com. Go to sign up, and it's right here. $50,000. Obviously, you have to pass the evaluation, but the evaluation only requires you to profit $3,000 without losing $2,500. That is how it works. If you want more information, there are a lot of videos out there on how Apex works, how a prop firm works. You should go watch those videos. But they pay for your NinjaTrader license. They pay for your market data. And it's $18 right now. You have to use the code SAVE90. No, you are not responsible for any money. That's why I'm telling you, ESC, there's no responsibility. The only thing you're responsible for is paying $18 one time. That's your responsibility. This is all on them, and that's why they're doing this. They make a lot of money off of people failing accounts, so they're fine putting up a little bit of risk. They're only risking $2,500 on someone that actually does. Yes, save 90. Save 90 with a 90. So you go here, you do start now. It will take you through the process. You put the coupon code SAVE90, and then you get a $50,000 cash account for $18. Yes, exactly, Daniel. That's all you need. So once you get this $50,000 account for $18, then you use the email I sent you with the discounted code. We're in another short here for the $500 Algo subscription. Correct. What is the point of a NinjaTrader trading license? So you have to have the NinjaTrader trading license to do certain things like using an algorithm. If you don't have a NinjaTrader license, you can't use the algorithm. But they are covering that for you. You don't need, oh my God. ESC, this is such a hard conversation. You need to just email me. Jason, I don't think you're understanding. Either you have a cash account, $3,000, yes, or you have a prop firm, $50,000 account for $18. It's up to you. That's the difference. It's not a loan because you don't owe any of the money. You don't pay it back. Y'all, you guys, if you guys don't know what prop firms are, you're going to have to research it because I have to get off of here. I have a student session at 11. Just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Look on their website. They have a lot of videos explaining all of this. They are really good at making videos and explaining what it's about. But it's a $50,000 account. You pay $18. That's it. That's your only involvement is $18. If you lose the account, you go bust, you don't owe them anything. That's it. $18. You have to use the code SAVE90 because normally it's $167. All right, I'm going to no, it's not. Number one, after you pass evaluation, which you normally do within 7 to 10 days maximum, you pay for your funded account, which is a one-time fee of $150. You never pay the monthly again. And if you don't pass within the first month, you don't pay $167 for the next month. You pay $36 for the next month because they're doing 90% for the first month and then 80% for every month after. No, it's not $167 a month. You will never pay $167 a month. Ever. It's $18 for the first month, and then if you don't pass within 30 days, then you get charged $36 for the next month. That's it. But everyone in my group, no, you will never pay $167. Oh my God. So after you pass evaluation, the evaluation is what you're paying for. You're paying $18 to pass evaluation. Once you make $3,000, then you no longer are in evaluation. So you don't pay anything monthly ever again. Scotch. The Algo is $500 for the first 21 days. Thanks, Derek. Then it's $1,000 every month after that. All right, I have to get off of here. I'm looking at some of the trades that we're in. Look at this move back down to the chop zone. All right, I'm getting off of here. If you need more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you have questions about Apex, go to the Apex website. They have customer support. They can answer all of your questions. If you want to know how a prop firm works, you can Google it on YouTube. There's a bunch of videos. I will never follow you. I will never DM you. Please do not fall for these people that are going to DM you after this live stream. I will never DM you. The only way I will communicate with you is via email. So if you don't email me and you're not on my live stream, then there's no way I can communicate with you. All right, have a good day. Bye. See you tomorrow at 9:30. 9:30 tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time. All right, YouTube. Yeah, watch the Apex videos. They are helpful. Bye.